best pregnancy pillows. Hello, and welcome back to the channel once again. So, today I'm back with another exciting video. In today's video, I will let you know a range of best pregnancy pillows that you can also use for a comfortable sleep. These pillows will provide you with comfortable, cozy, and long-lasting effects. So, without any delay, let's start with the video. And yes, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the guide and always press the bell icon for future notifications. Now, let's check what we have at our number 1. I hope you will like this list. Number 1, Insense C-shaped body pillow for pregnant woman. With its cool jersey cover and not too firm fill, this C-shaped body pillow is popular with everyone from pregnant women to non-pregnant girls and guys who like to experience support and comfort while sleeping. This C-formed pillow has an ergonomic design of 58 x 28 x 7.13 in. C-design pillow layout replaces different small pillows in your bed. This C-formed body pillow is relief and follows your physique contour formed that assisting help your physique such as back, belly, hips, and knee. This pillow immediately relieves pregnancy body pain. So, this full body being pregnant pillow can assist you into a pleasant sleep, lower interruptions all night time, and assisting relieve lower back pain, hips pain, and lower back pain. This pillow is simply what my sister used to be hoping for going into the second trimester of her second pregnancy due to its comfortable and cozy experience. I personally love this too, so I sometimes also like to use this while sleeping after a hectic day. With some growing hip pain, this introduced some welcome relief. Notably, the users dealing with different kinds of ailments, from back surgery healing to fibromyalgia and inflammatory arthritis, additionally discovered relief in this pillow. And some other reviewer, who is neither pregnant nor a woman, calls it simply amazing, just like me. It feels like you have 6 pillows in your bed, with the delivered advantage that they don't run away as you lean in opposition to them. So, this pillow assists you to get a sound and sweet sleep. You can also try this for once, and trust me, this will be your forever love then. Now, let us check the second one, and see what we have at this number. Number 2, Boppy Pregnancy Wedge. This pillow offers to pinpoint help for mothers pre- and post-birth. It is the most compact being pregnant aid right the place you want it, every time you require it. Great on its own, or in aggregate with your modern prenatal pillow to get the personalized help you want to get comfortable. This is a hard grip with no bulk, small sufficient to take with you. It is the best result for an exceptional night's sleep whilst traveling, or is lower back pain while sitting on the couch or in a workplace chair. The compact layout permits you to sleep simply at domestic and whilst traveling. It packs up small when now not in use. The Boppy Pregnancy Wedge offers to pinpoint help for your bump, lower back, and knees for movable relief somewhere you go. The Boppy Wedge is our most versatile prenatal pillow and transitions seamlessly to postpartum support. The wedge is exceptional when you want extra lower back help whilst nursing or for everyday lower back support. The pregnancy wedge is made up of a firm foam encased in a soft jersey knit slipcover. The slipcover is machine washable for effortless care. The pregnancy wedge is just a piece of the line of Boppy pregnancy pillows that assist with prenatal and postnatal needs, all while making you feel relaxed when sitting or sleeping. Number 3, Ankai U-shaped pregnancy pillow. The Ankai 55 U-shaped jersey physique being pregnant pillow is especially designed to alleviate aches and pains, supporting you to sleep on your side. The jersey body pillow can be placed to help your back, stopping sciatica and decrease lower back pain. It can also tuck between your knee to put off pain and assist with temperature control. The filling of Ankai's pregnancy pillow is high-grade gentle 7 DPP whole fiber, excessive rebound, convenient to modify, and no noise, providing blissful other side sleeping. The breathable internal cowl is a refined fabric that can be used for an extended time. The outer case is 100% gentle jersey knit that is effortlessly detachable and device washable. With the super soft, full body pillow, you are guaranteed a cozy and restful night's sleep through any stage of your pregnancy, providing support for everything from your head, neck, shoulders, belly, hips, knees, toes, and lower back, easing the aches and swelling in your legs while relieving stress and improving sleep. Ankai U-shaped maternity pillow is perfect for backside sleepers as its form and steadiness lend themselves to this famous sound asleep position. Now, let's see what we have at the next number. I hope you will like that one too. Number 4. Chilean Home Pregnancy Pillow with Velvet Cover. This is one of the pregnant woman gadgets needed to have physique pillows for pregnancy. Of maternity physique pillow for adults provides physique assistance and loosens up as a pregnancy U-body pillow, which is equal to different pregnant physique pillow like maternity clothes. U-shaped body pillows that pregnant women need to have can lead to inanition, whilst the use of pregnancy body pillows for sound asleep as nicely as maternity clothes. It is no longer simply a pregnancy pillow cooling for sound asleep for pregnant women or nursing mothers. Similar to other pregnancy pillows that you have made as pregnancy pillows, it is also a full-body pregnancy pillow that pregnant people should have, and anyone that wants to sleep well while pregnant. Especially should be a pregnancy present for first-time moms. You can put forward long-lasting smooth relief body pillows for pregnant ladies and throw the baby pillow into a regular washing machine and dryer for cleaning. The maternity pillow is for adults that are pregnant. Must-haves as maternity pillows for sleeping. It has zippers at both ends and will never clump, even after repeated washings. So, this is the best hassle-free maternity pillow in U-shape one can love to have. Now, it's time to see what we have at number 5. And here let me tell you one thing. All the specially designed pregnancy pillows are great if they can provide you with comfortable, cozy, and sound sleep. So, you can try any of these 5, depending on your own preferences. Number 5. Milliard U-shaped Total Body Support Pregnancy Pillow Memory Foam. It is an ergonomic pillow that provides long, ergonomic positioning. U-shaped pillows that can be used to alleviate stress from any part of your body, including your arms, back, neck, head, and legs. This pillow is thick, cushioned memory foam that can be brought to or removed to find just the right level of softness for you. You can experience this pillow-like enjoyable hug all via the night. These extensive U-shaped body pillows are fantastic for looking at TV, nursing children, reading, or dozing comfortably. This is a great way to relieve stomach pressure, return pain, or soreness whilst pregnant. They're the satisfactory pregnant pillow at any trimester stage. It is best for side, back, or belly sleepers. Use it for sitting greater upright, curling up in a number of positions, and even resting on the couch. So, this is it for today. Here I will end this video. And if you like this video, then make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon with another interesting video. Till that, go and have a look at further details of the shared products. Links are given in the description box.